Hi, my name is Megan Moore and I'm going to be teaching you a spring everyday makeup tutorial. This is mainly for beginners as well as those in the intermediate level wanting to try some new things when it comes to their makeup look. So after showing you all the tools and the makeup products that you'll need to complete this tutorial, let's get into the video. So first you're going to want to take your moisturizer of choice. This is the Olay moisturizer, and you're going to want to get a pea-size amount and dot it all over your face and apply it. So next you're going to take your foundation of choice. This is the Urban Decay Naked Skin, and then dot it all over your face. After you applied your foundation and blended it all in with the Beauty Blender, you're going to want to take a concealer that is lighter than your skin tone, because this is going to help boost your under eyes and lighten up your face. Next, what I'm going to do is take that same color and put it on the outer corner and just pat it in. So the next step you're going to want to do is take your highlighter or shimmery shadow shade of choice. This is the Anastasia Beverly Hills, and I'm going to take the color, this one, using your flat shader brush, tapping off any excess and just putting it on the lid, on the inner third of the lid. So after you've blended out your eyeshadow, you're going to want to get your mascara of choice. This is the Benefit They're Real mascara, and you're going to want to apply to your lashes. Also apply it to your lower lashes as well. So next you're going to want to apply your bronzer. You can go ahead and use your contour brush. This is a fluffy contour brush. You're going to want to pat the product and start applying. So you're going to want to suck in your cheeks, apply to that line on both sides. You're gonna also want to apply up here to balance out your face a little bit. So you're going to want to use your bronzer of choice, tap, tap, tap. Kind of apply it on the sides of your forehead. So the next step you're going to take is your blush. This is the Physicians Formula blush. And you're going to want to take an angled brush. So next you're going to take your highlighter and you're going to get a fan brush. This step is also optional just because some people are kind of new to the highlighter trend. Highlighter helps hit the high points of your face and helps make your face more glowy and shiny. What you could also do if you don't want to buy a separate fan brush or you just don't have one at the moment, you can go ahead and just tap your finger in there and just apply it like this. So the very last step you're going to want to do is apply your lip color of choice. This is the Maybelline Vivid Hot Lacquer. It's just a pigmented lip gloss. There's a lot of color in it. Look right here. As you can see, it's a bit natural looking. It's using like rosy pinks. However, you can do your spring color of choice for your lip color and for your crease color. But as you can see, it adds a little bit of a glow. And that is my tutorial for a simple spring makeup tutorial. So I hope you enjoyed this.